Right, well, I don't know then. We'll have to go in and get him, won't we? Or he'll have to stay there the night. That's what usually happens. I think they have to stay the night, so...
Yeah.
That would be funny, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. It's going to be like this for days now, isn't it?
For days?
No?
There's a wagon in front of me and he's going so fucking slow. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it's getting more thicker now. I'm coming to the bottom of Tregos. You know where the bridge is going over the new A30. By Bolventa, I think it is. Is it Bolventa?
Isn't it right going down Union Hill?
Well, we'll soon find out, won't we?
How's that massive hill?
You what?
How's the bus down the hill to the car?
He ain't, is he? He'll drop them off at the top and they'll have to walk.
Right. Oh, I don't know.
This is brilliant, this is Barbs. I'm really enjoying this. Yeah, man. Getting it all on dash cam. It's a fucking AA van's flashing. He's fucking giving it some fucking... He keeps pressing his fucking brake light for some weird reason. Don't know why. I ain't got a fucking clue why he's doing that. Oh well.
Yeah.
He's probably trying to warn me about something.
He's probably warning you not to be too close to him or something.
Well, I'm miles away from him for that reason, because he keeps showing me... Yeah, he's showing his fucking fog lights now. No, it's still wet over there. I'm averaging at 31.7 miles to the gallon. I'm in 4th gear as well. Doing 30 miles an hour.
Charlie will get home alright.
What?
I wonder if Charlie will get home alright.
He BBM'd earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's actually at home today anyway.
Was he?
Yeah, apparently.
Why?
I don't know.
Kelly's been where? Is she?
What? It's a little VW and a fucking, what's it, Mazda, I think? Oh, Seat. Little Volkswagen Polo type car and a Seat, I don't know if it's a Cupra or a Leon or something, I don't know. Oh, I'm skating. I'm skating now.